石油地史诗。
The epic of petroleum 300 million years ago, countless tiny algae and plankton flourished in warm, shallow seas.
3亿年前，温暖的浅海里，无数微小的藻类与浮游生物正茂盛生长。
300 million years ago, countless tiny algae and plankton flourished in warm, shallow seas. After dying, they sank to the ocean floor and were buried by silt, beginning a long period of underground confinement.
它们死后沉入海底，被泥沙掩埋，开启了漫长的地下禁闭。
After dying, they sank to the ocean floor and were buried by silt, beginning a long period of underground confinement. As tectonic plates shifted, layers of sediment stacked up, turning immense pressure and geothermal heat into a natural alchemy furnace.
随着地壳变动，沉积物层层堆叠，重压与地心热力成了天然的炼金炉。
As tectonic plates shifted, layers of sediment stacked up, turning immense pressure and geothermal heat into a natural alchemy furnace. In an oxygen-free environment, organic matter slowly transformed into kerogen, like an unpolished piece of black jade.
缺氧的环境下，有机质缓慢转变为有母质，像是一块尚未雕琢的黑玉。
In an oxygen-free environment, organic matter slowly transformed into kerogen, like an unpolished piece of black jade. Millions of years passed, and heat cooked the kerogen into liquid hydrocarbons.
数百万年过去，热力将有母质煮成了液态的碳氢化合物。
Millions of years passed, and heat cooked the kerogen into liquid hydrocarbons. These black liquids flowed through rock crevices, eventually becoming trapped beneath impermeable rock domes.
这些黑色的液体在岩层缝隙中流动，最终被困在不透水的岩石穹隆之下。
These black liquids flowed through rock crevices, eventually becoming trapped beneath impermeable rock domes. Ancient humans discovered this viscous, strange, and inextinguishable black water in bitumen seeping from rock fissures.
远古的人类在岩缝渗出的沥青中，发现了这种粘稠、古怪且永不熄灭的黑水。
Ancient humans discovered this viscous, strange, and inextinguishable black water in bitumen seeping from rock fissures. Sumerians used it to waterproof boat hulls, while ancient Egyptians used it to preserve mummies for the soul.
苏美人用它来抹平船底防水，古埃及人则用它保存灵魂的木乃伊。
Sumerians used it to waterproof boat hulls, while ancient Egyptians used it to preserve mummies for the soul. Soldiers of the Chinese Han Dynasty discovered its flammability on the frontier and named it stone lacquer.
中国汉代的士兵在边境发现它能燃烧，将其命名为石漆。
Soldiers of the Chinese Han Dynasty discovered its flammability on the frontier and named it stone lacquer. Shen Kuo officially named it Xiao, rock oil, in Dream Pool essays and predicted its great potential.
沈瓜在《梦溪笔谈》中正式赋予它石油之名，并预言此物大有可为。
Shen Kuo officially named it Xiao, rock oil, in Dream Pool essays and predicted its great potential. Yet for thousands of years, it remained merely an ointment, a lubricant, or a secret weapon for fire attacks.
但在数千年间，它仅仅是药膏、润滑剂或火攻的奇门遁甲。
Yet for thousands of years, it remained merely an ointment, a lubricant, or a secret weapon for fire attacks. In 1859, Edwin Drake drilled the first commercial oil well in Pennsylvania, and the black gold gushed forth 1859.
年，德雷克在美国宾州钻下了第一口商业油井，黑金喷薄而出。
In 1859, Edwin Drake drilled the first commercial oil well in Pennsylvania, and the black gold gushed forth. Initially, people only wanted the kerosene to light up the night. Gasoline was discarded as waste.
起初人们只要使油里的煤油，用来点亮黑夜，汽油反而是被丢弃的废物。
Initially, people only wanted the kerosene to light up the night. Gasoline was discarded as waste. With the invention of the internal combustion engine, that discarded waste gasoline suddenly became the lifeblood of the world.
随着内燃机的发明，那个被丢弃的废物汽油突然成了推动世界的血液。
With the invention of the internal combustion engine, that discarded waste gasoline suddenly became the lifeblood of the world. Ford's Model T rolled off the assembly line, putting human civilization on wheels and driving it into the oil age.
福特的
Capital T.
行车走下流水线，将人类文明带上了轮胎，也带进了石油时代。
Ford's Model T rolled off the assembly line, putting human civilization on wheels and driving it into the oil age. Rockefeller built the Standard Oil Empire, demonstrating for the first time oil's terrifying power to control economies.
洛克菲勒建立了标准石油帝国，石油第一次展现了左右经济的恐怖力量。
Rockefeller built the Standard Oil Empire, demonstrating for the first time oil's terrifying power to control economies. During the two world wars, tanks and warplanes proved that without oil, an army is just scrap metal.
2次世界大战，坦克与战机证明了，没有石油，军队只是废铁。
During the two world wars, tanks and warplanes proved that without oil, an army is just scrap metal. Astonishing oil fields were discovered beneath the deserts of Saudi Arabia, instantly shifting the center of geopolitics.
沙乌地阿拉伯的荒漠下发现了惊人的油田，地缘政治的重心瞬间转移。
Astonishing oil fields were discovered beneath the deserts of Saudi Arabia, instantly shifting the center of geopolitics. In 1960, OPEC was founded, and oil-producing nations began to challenge Western oil giants. 1960
年，石油输出国组织
OPEC
成立，产油国开始与西方石油巨头叫板。
In 1960, OPEC was founded, and oil-producing nations began to challenge Western oil giants. The 1973 embargo triggered the first oil crisis, causing people worldwide to wait in long lines at gas stations.
1973年的禁运引发了第一次石油危机，全世界的人们在加油站排起了长队。
The 1973 embargo triggered the first oil crisis, causing people worldwide to wait in long lines at gas stations. Oil was no longer just fuel, it became the pillar of the US dollar and the sharpest bargaining chip in great power games.
石油不再只是燃料，它成了美元的支柱，成了大国博弈最锋利的筹码。
Oil was no longer just fuel, it became the pillar of the US dollar and the sharpest bargaining chip in great power games. Scientists learned to dismantle oil, creating plastics, synthetic fibers, and synthetic rubber.
科学家学会了将石油拆解，创造出塑胶、人造纤维与合成橡胶。
Scientists learned to dismantle oil, creating plastics, synthetic fibers, and synthetic rubber. Your clothes, your phone casing, and your antibiotics are essentially transformations of petroleum.
你的衣服、你的手机外壳、你的抗生素，本质上都是石油的变身。
Your clothes, your phone casing, and your antibiotics are essentially transformations of petroleum. Modern agriculture relies on fertilizers and pesticides. Oil is transformed into every bite of food on our tables.
现代农业依赖化肥与农药，石油转化成了我们餐桌上的每一口粮食。
Modern agriculture relies on fertilizers and pesticides. Oil is transformed into every bite of food on our tables. It is the creator of convenient living, allowing billions to enjoy unprecedented material abundance.
它是便利生活的创造者，让数十亿人享受到了前所未有的物资丰饶。
It is the creator of convenient living, allowing billions to enjoy unprecedented material abundance. As glaciers began to melt, humanity finally realized the environmental price behind burning black gold.
当冰川开始融化，人们终于意识到燃烧黑金背后的环境代价。
As glaciers began to melt, humanity finally realized the environmental price behind burning black gold. Oil spills blackened the oceans, and carbon dioxide is quietly rewriting the Earth's climate script.
漏油事故燃黑了海洋，二氧化碳正在悄悄改写地球的气候剧本。
Oil spills blackened the oceans, and carbon dioxide is quietly rewriting the Earth's climate script. Solar power, wind energy, and electric vehicles are rising, attempting to bid farewell to this century-long hegemon.
太阳能、风能与电动车崛起，试图与这位统治了100年的霸主告别。
Solar power, wind energy, and electric vehicles are rising, attempting to bid farewell to this century-long hegemon. The legend of petroleum is not yet over. It is shifting toward refined chemical materials to find its place to survive.
石油的传奇尚未结束，它正转向更精细的化工材料，寻找生存的余地。
The legend of petroleum is not yet over. It is shifting toward refined chemical materials to find its place to survive. This single drop of 300 million-year-old solar energy has witnessed humanity's most brilliant yet contradictory century.
这一滴来自3亿年前的太阳能，见证了人类最辉煌也最矛盾的100年时光。
This single drop of 300 million-year-old solar energy has witnessed humanity's most brilliant yet contradictory century.
Or a secret weapon for fire attack. This single drop of 300 million-year-old solar energy has witnessed humanity's most brilliant yet contradictory century. It is the creator of convenient living, allowing billions to enjoy unprecedented material abundance. It is the fire of the engine and the pillar of the currency. It is the master of the world, our heavy dependency. In 1859, Edwin Drake drilled the first commercial oil in Pennsylvania, and the black gold gushed forth initially. People